Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi technology. In this video we will learn how to add image in the PDF. So this is a bit lengthy process because to add a single image you need to write 7 to 8 line of code in this Java. Okay. So first thing, you need to have one image that you want to place on the PDF. So in my case, this is the image windows.png. Okay, so we will add this image in the PDF. So what you need to do, just copy this image and in the drawable folder just right click and paste. You can change its name, for example pc.png and refactor. Now you can see this pc.png. Now after this document object, we need to create one drawable object, drawable d equal to get drawable r dot drawable dot pc. Okay, put semicolon. Now in the next line, create one bitmap object, bitmap equal to, here first we typecast it to bitmap, drawable, here put d dot get bitmap. Okay, now in the third line we need to create one byte array output stream. Byte array output stream new byte array output stream. Okay, now bitmap dot compress, and here the first is bitmap compress format. So bitmap dot compress format dot, so the format is png, comma its quality, so we will put 100%, comma it is asking for output stream, so we will put stream here. Now create one byte array, bitmap data, stream dot 2 byte array. Okay, now we have this byte array, and using this byte array we will create image data. So image data factory create, and here we will put bitmap data. Okay, now using this image data we can create image object, image new image data. Okay, now we can add this image to the document. So document dot add image. Okay, so now let's try to run this. Now here you can see PDF created. So let's check the PDF. And here you can see the image on the. Okay, now we need to set its size, and for that just close this, and here after this image dot set height, and for example 100, and same for the width, image dot set width 100. Okay, put semicolon, and again let's run this. Now PDF created, and now you can see the image is 100 into 100 size. Okay, so this is the way that you can use to add image in the PDF, and also you can set its size. So this is enough for this video. You can also join our Telegram channel, and please subscribe this channel. So in the next video we will learn about table. So please keep watching and keep subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next. Till then, bye.